Imagine facing life's biggest challenges, stress, uncertainty, even failure, without fear or anxiety. What if there was a way to stay calm, rational, and in control no matter what life throws at you? The answer lies in an ancient philosophy that has stood the test of time: Stoicism. In this summary of How to be a Stoic by Massimo Pigliucci, we'll explore the wisdom of the Stoics and how their teachings can help us lead a more resilient and fulfilling life in the modern world. Massimo Pigliucci, a philosopher and scholar, takes us on a journey through Stoicism, an ancient philosophy founded in Athens that later flourished in Rome. Unlike other philosophical traditions, Stoicism is highly practical, offering real-life strategies to handle adversity, control emotions, and find inner peace. Control what you can. Let go of the rest-on of the most powerful Stoic principles is the dichotomy of control. Simply put, there are things we can control, our thoughts, actions, and reactions, and things we cannot, other people's opinions, external events, and even our own past mistakes. Pigliucci emphasizes that true wisdom comes from focusing on what we can control and letting go of what we cannot. This mindset alone can free us from unnecessary worry and frustration. Practicing virtue as the key to happiness, Stoicism teaches that true happiness does not come from wealth, status, or material possessions, but from living a life of virtue, wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Every decision we make should align with these virtues. When faced with a tough decision, ask yourself, is this the right thing to do, rather than, will this make me more successful? Preparing for life's challenges with negative visualization. Stoics practiced a mental exercise called premeditatio malorum, or negative visualization. This means imagining worst-case scenarios before they happen. Why? Because when you mentally prepare for setbacks, you're less likely to be overwhelmed when they actually occur. For example, if you worry about losing a job, visualize what would happen, how you'd cope, and what steps you'd take next. This doesn't make you pessimistic. It makes you prepared. Embracing discomfort and hardship. Pigliucci encourages us to build resilience by embracing discomfort. The Stoics believed that voluntarily exposing ourselves to minor hardships, such as taking cold showers, fasting, or sleeping on the floor, toughens the mind and makes us better prepared for real-life difficulties. This practice helps us detach from luxury and reminds us that we don't need as much as we think to be happy. Understanding that death is not to be feared, one of the most challenging but liberating Stoic lessons is their view on death. Instead of fearing it, the Stoics saw death as a natural part of life. Pigliucci draws on the wisdom of Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius, who wrote in Meditations, "You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say and think." In other words, remembering our mortality encourages us to live fully in the present, appreciate what we have, and not waste time on trivial matters. 6. Responding to insults and criticism. Like a Stoic, the Stoics teach that our reactions define us, not other people's actions. If someone insults you, instead of getting angry or retaliating, pause and ask yourself, is what they're saying true? If yes, I should improve. If no, why should I care? By adopting this mindset, we free ourselves from the control of others and maintain inner peace. The wisdom of the Stoics is timeless. By applying these principles in our daily lives, focusing on what we can control, practicing virtue, preparing for hardships, embracing discomfort, accepting death, and mastering our reactions, we can develop unshakable resilience and live a life of true contentment. If you found these insights valuable, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Audiobook Zone BD for more self-development book summaries that can transform your life. And let me know in the comments, What is one Stoic principle you'd like to apply in your daily life? See you in the next video.